KBSX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Yeah, FST Corp, it's melting. It is melting. 28% down is quite a bit, you know. And all I also want to say is that, let me come out here. You can see my prediction that I did. I mean, this alert was sent. There you go here, kbs-x, kbs-x. Right here, I believe, the Discord.
Bearish market for me.
Right, yeah, it was sitting at 388 at the time. Already break-even has been set. Only got 30 views, which is tough. But there you go. Here's when I called it out. And since that kind of occurred here, all I still want to say is that, yeah, this is still melting. It's obviously not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple learning way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And obviously comments are not off limits to you. This is risk-free, so we're all chilling. Goodbye and enjoy. There's a lot of free sauce. First link in the description. A lot of free sauce.